Here's the battery for Zach.
So now you just have to pull it up over there. Let's go that direction.
I don't know if we could. You see how it's leaning?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if we could do anything about that.
Just the GoPro on?
I don't know if we could prop something under here. Oh, that's pretty sure.
Look around front and see if there's a red
But do
light.
you see how the rail itself is actually tilted?
To the,
If you look.
it's between the silver button and the lens.
Yeah.
If you just step on this,
Now you're gonna have a good old face in there.
I didn't know.
Can I plug it in? Do a continuity check?
Well, yeah, it should be okay. You can plug it in, but make sure to
Any
keep
thoughts? Or?
let's get another bag and set it on this side.
Alright, you got it, Joel?
Grab 2 of those folks.
Hey, can I get a bag of rocks?
Come on. Bag of rocks.
Right there, bag of rocks.
Oh.
Gee, dang it.
Don't you grab the one that doesn't have
Sir, is he the pilot?
Is the battery connected?
The battery's connected.
Disconnected. While people are in front.
It's disconnected.
Bring it right around.
The security
We're
key was
setting it right here. On that side of it.
It didn't enter.
Just on this side?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there we go. That looks Gucci right there.
Hurry back.
Now hurry back.
Thank you.
All right.
Throttle started. Up.
All right, the battery's
down,
in.
Right. Left. Left. Right.
All right. Continuity check.
Continuity check. Reset quarter stick.
All right.
Ready, Stearns? Everybody set?
With respect to the back blast button.
I think so.
All right. Ready?
Ready, go.
All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Hell yeah, that shit rocket launch. Oh yeah.
I get the one.
Alright, we're clear, sir.
That was so fucking cool.